Hi, my name is Patricia Ong, Sharon Rose Master. Today I have the privilege of giving you a product presentation on two of my favorite products, namely the toothbrush and the toothpaste. First of all, I want to tell you how did I get to know about Atomy. It is because of these two products that I got to be introduced to Atomy. And it was how my Atomy journey started. When I had periodontal issues for more than 20 years, struggling with it, I already had 2 surgeries, and the third one was coming. I was really not happy to hear from my periodontist that I'm to be due for a third surgery. Why was I upset? Because my bathroom is like a mini dental office. And I make sure that I follow the routine that I normally do for my oral health. And to be told that I have a third surgery, I was not a happy camper at all. So I went around researching for good organic products, expensive toothbrushes, and even expensive toothpaste in the hopes of regaining my dental health. And to no avail. When I was first given these 2 products, I was hesitant to use it because I've not heard about it. I don't know what this is all about. I don't know what kind of products it is. And I do not know where to do the research. And I was not wanting to use it for a long while. But after trying so many other products to no avail, I finally gave these 2 products a try. And to my amazement, it was such a good, refreshing feeling after using it. I tracked the progress of using these 2 products for 9 months and just to see whether does it really help me with my dental health. So as I alternate my dental appointments between my dentist and my periodontist every 3 months, at the 9th month mark was when my dentist told me that my gums was actually getting better. And he was so happy with what he saw, because for the past 20 years, he has always asked me, make sure you keep your oral health, dental health appropriately, continue with the regime, and not to give up what I have been doing in the past. But for the 9th month mark, when I went to see him, he told me that keep doing what you're doing because your dental health and your oral health is getting better, and he was so happy with the results. That got me interested to be more curious about this toothbrush and this toothpaste. So what happened was when I finally did the research on the toothpaste that Atomy offers, I was amazed. Look at this toothbrush itself. It is curved like a dental equipment, and which means that we can actually use this to access the back of our teeth and get a cleaning on our teeth. And it also has virgin plastic with diamond cut that helps us to have a better grip using this toothbrush. Notice that the head of the toothbrush is well rounded and is slightly smaller than normal. And look at the bristles. They are yellow in color. And I was curious, why is it yellow? It actually has gold in it. And I'm like, why? Why gold? And actually gold is naturally antibacterial. So where do we leave our toothbrush? In the bathroom, right? So when we flush the toilet, do our shower, all these bacteria starts to land on this toothbrush itself. So with the antibacterial function that it has, it prevents bacterial growth on our toothbrush. Isn't that amazing? Also because it is such super slim bristles and soft, the tensile of the bristles is able to clean our teeth, in between our teeth and our gums more thoroughly, removing the food debris and plaque from our teeth. I was so amazed because every time when I use this toothbrush, I just get this feeling that I am having a very thorough cleaning of my teeth. Now, when we use the toothbrush, what do we use it together with? Other than the toothpaste. I call this the couple product in Atomy. Now, let me introduce to you the Propolis toothpaste that we have. I did not know what Propolis is all about, and it's to have it in the toothpaste. When I found out that Propolis is actually a resin that is used by the bees to seal the entrance of the beehives to protect the babies from getting infection. And on further research, I found that the propolis has got antibacterial and anti-inflammation properties. So, because it has these two properties, this makes the toothpaste antibiotic. And also at the same time, our toothpaste also has green tea extract. Green tea extract actually helps make our teeth more whitened naturally. And also, I found out that this toothpaste, it contains xylitol. And I was curious, what is xylitol? Well, it is well known that xylitol is known to prevent tooth decay and also plaque deposits on our teeth. And I was like, wow, this is something that is so amazing to have this toothpaste that I'm using. It is 200 grams each, and it's a pack of 5. Now, not forgetting the oral care that we have. It's 4 in a pack. And this compact oral care, it makes it so convenient for me to use it while I'm traveling, or I can also leave it in my purse that I can bring around with me, that I can clean my mouth after every meal ingestion. So let me show you what we have in our oral care box. It has a toothbrush with a cover, and it also has the mini toothpaste, which you can buy separately as well. It contains 4 in the box. Also, it has this interdental brush that helps us to further clean our teeth from any food debris. I must say that if you're not convinced about using this toothpaste and toothbrush, and I encourage all of you to perhaps give these two products a chance, you have not made a wrong decision. And thank you for your time.